Hi guys, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And in today's video tutorial I will crochet my unique complex stitches that I created recently for you. My pattern consists of 2 rows and has 13 stitches. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain, make a chain of 36. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on till you will get 36 chains in the foundation chain. Before continue, let's stop and look at the ready project. Pattern consists of 13 stitches. Here what I have. And pattern has 2 rows. One row is a row of complex stitches and a row of double crochet. And I remind you, pattern consists of 13 stitches. My foundation chain is ready. So I will use 26 stitches for my complex stitches. I will add 10 stitches for more beautiful look. I added 10 stitches for more beautiful look. Let's crochet the first row. It's gonna be the preparation row. 1, 2, 3 chains to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, then chain of 2 for the chain space, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 9th chain stitch away from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and make double crochet. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, I skip 2 chains and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook, I skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Then make 4 more double crochet in a row. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, I skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain of 2, I skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain of 2, I skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. I will make 3 squares, then 5 double crochet. So I will alternate 3 squares and 5 double crochet. Make 4 more double crochet in a row. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. Chain of 2, I skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain of 2, I skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. My first row is ready. Let's crochet the second row. It's gonna be a row of complex stitches. Let's crochet the complex stitch. Make a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 of them are chains to bring up the yarn, and another 2 are for the chain space. Turn the work yarn over the hook twice. I skip 5 chains. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the 6th chain stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. In total it should be 5 of them. This is double crochet not finished. Yarn over the hook and double crochet not finished. 3, 4 and 5. Well done. You should leave 2 chains. Yarn over the hook. I skip this stitch, then 2 chains, insert the hook into the 2nd double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here what I have at this point. I continue working on my complex stitch, chain of 2, yarn over the hook twice, I insert the hook into the stitch, this is the loop of the stitch, and the next loop, I insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Let's count 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook. I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here what I have at this point. Chain of 2. My stitch is almost ready, I just need to continue. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into 2 loops, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook. I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the next double crochet, make double crochet not finish. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My complex stitch is ready. Here how it looks. It is based on chains. Next time I will show you how to crochet the tall stitch, and next complex stitch will be based on tall stitch. Make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So continue working. Insert the hook into the last stitch of these 5. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My tall stitch is ready. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first pair, insert the hook into the second pair. I insert the hook into 2 loops, like this. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and double crochet, not finish. Make the second one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. My first half is ready. Continue. Chain of 2. Yarn over the hook twice. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over, make double crochet, not finish into the double crochet. Pull through 2 loops. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The second half is ready. I just need to do the third half of my complex stitch. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook twice and make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the hook into the first double crochet of these 5. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. My second complex stitch is ready. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. In your case, your row could be longer. Next time I will show you how to complete this row. Now I show you how to complete it. I just need to complete my current complex stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch and make double crochet, not finish. And pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My row is ready. And let's crochet the next row. For the next row, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 2 for the pattern. Yarn over the hook and double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Continue. Work into the each chain stitch, not into the chain space. You should work into the each chain stitch. 1, make double crochet. 2, and 3. And double crochet into the stitch. Continue, chain of 2 and double crochet into the stitch, chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Make double crochet into the stitch, yarn over the hook and double crochet into the stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I just need to do one more, sorry. Make the 5th one. I will check myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the stitch, chain of 2 and double crochet into the stitch, chain of 2, yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, make double crochet. So from the stitch it's gonna be the 3rd one. 1, 2, 3. My 3rd row is ready. Next row will be a row of complex stitches. So you should repeat the pattern as many times as you need for your project. Pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is complex stitches and the second one is double crochet. And my complex stitch based on 13 stitches. Keep working in this way as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my swatch is ready. Here how it looks. This is my own stitch pattern. You can use such complex stitches like a main pattern, or you can combine it with another one. I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is complex stitches and the second one is double crochet. Complex stitch based on 13 stitches. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. You can use this pattern anywhere. For this project you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. And of course your knowledge about different tall stitches. And for example, I have done exact pattern but using white color of yarn. If you have experience in crocheting, you can experiment with additional chains and stitches between complex stitches or double crochet. All additional information about the tools, useful links, could be found in the description of each video tutorial. This is the another side. Please follow my social media and write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my stitches and my patterns. It's very always interesting to read. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting. Bye!